What's happening with Bitcoin and MicroStrategy? An in-depth analysis of the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. Have you ever thought about what would happen if a major business intelligence and analytics company decided to invest heavily in Bitcoin? This is exactly what MicroStrategy, one of the most influential companies in the cryptocurrency industry, is doing. In this video, we'll explore MicroStrategy's latest moves, including their plans for a $2 billion equity offering to purchase additional Bitcoin, and analyze how these decisions are impacting the cryptocurrency market. But before we dive into the details, let's see what's happening in the cryptocurrency landscape. To better understand the context in which MicroStrategy is operating, let's take a look at CoinMarketCap's cryptocurrency map. Currently, Bitcoin remains stable with a variation of 3.17% in the last 24 hours, recording a price of approximately $61,355. Its dominance remains solid at around 55.49%. Ethereum also does not show major movements, remaining stuck at a price of $2,953. This state of calm, however, may only be temporary, as the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. Let's now move on to a more detailed technical analysis of Bitcoin. Looking at the hourly chart, an interesting pattern emerges that deserves attention. After hitting a high, and a low, top low, Bitcoin showed signs of weakness, breaking down and reacting around a critical support area. This movement is also particularly evident on the 4-hour and daily charts, where we can observe a break of the support line. The recent decline, which began on July 22 and culminated on July 25, 2024, was not dramatic enough to capture all of the underlying liquidity formed during the July 16 bullish impulse. However, with the daily candle on August 1, there was a significant liquidity grab, indicating a possible downward continuation to fill a zone of inefficiency present up to around $58,000. This level also corresponds to a gap in the Bitcoin futures market, ranging from $57,800 to $59,000, a gap that could soon be filled if bearish pressure persists. MicroStrategy, under the leadership of CEO Michael Saylor, has ramped up its Bitcoin buying strategy, planning a $2 billion public equity offering to raise capital to purchase additional cryptocurrencies. Recently, the company acquired an additional 169 Bitcoins, for a total of $11.4 million, bringing their total holding to over 152,500 Bitcoins. This figure represents more than 1% of Bitcoin's total supply, a position that demonstrates the company's confidence in the future of this cryptocurrency. This significant commitment by MicroStrategy to Bitcoin not only strengthens confidence in the market, but could also serve as a catalyst for other financial institutions. Indeed, MicroStrategy's move is seen as a positive signal for the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem, suggesting growing institutional adoption. Even though the market is sideways, the continued accumulation of Bitcoin by large entities suggests there is underlying belief in the cryptocurrency's long-term growth. In addition to MicroStrategy, other large institutions are increasing their exposure to Bitcoin. Recently, one of the largest online brokers in Hong Kong launched a retail program to allow over 22 million users to invest in cryptocurrencies and trade crypto assets. This development could potentially lead to an influx of new investors into the market, increasing the demand and, consequently, the price of cryptocurrencies. However, despite these movements, trading volumes remain relatively low, as demonstrated by recent data on total net assets amounting to approximately $421 million, equivalent to 4,480 Bitcoin. Coinbase, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, also reported significant profits, with earnings of $1.4 billion in the first quarter of 2024. This is particularly relevant considering that Coinbase is one of the most institutionalized exchanges, serving as a main for many large investors. With the eventual recovery of Bitcoin's price, it is possible that Coinbase and other exchanges will see an increase in their revenues, thanks to the increase in trading and general interest in cryptocurrencies. Another interesting fact is the recent accumulation of Bitcoin by some of the largest holders, known as whales. In July alone, these entities accumulated over 84,000 Bitcoins, the largest accumulation since 2014. This phenomenon raises questions about the strategy of these large market players. Why are they accumulating so much Bitcoin, especially in a time of price stagnation? One possible explanation is their prediction of a future market recovery, driven by greater institutional adoption and the inflow of new capital. The cryptocurrency market is in a delicate phase. While prices remain relatively stable, significant dynamics are moving beneath the surface. Decisions by large companies like MicroStrategy, the expansion of cryptocurrency investment programs in emerging markets like Hong Kong, and whale activity indicate that the sector may be on the verge of a new phase of growth. However, it is important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and subject to rapid fluctuations. That said, thanks for following us up to this point. Don't waste your next crypto flight. Thanks for being with us. If you want to stay up to date on the latest news from the crypto world and not miss out on a crypto adventure, hit that follow me button and activate the bell. Ready to go? Then see you in the next video.